Welcome to our mobile salon. Just step inside, choose your style. Wow, it's beautiful. Thank you. I'm just gonna run this along your scalp. Okay. And you'll see the braids start to form. Wow, that's fast. And perfect. Another section.
Driver, please slow down small. This automatic braiding machine needs steady movement so the braids can come out neat.
No problem, Madam Stylist. Look how fast it does this.
Yeah.
Wow, that is amazing technology.
Yeah.
The braids look so neat already.
Pull over. Or yeah, show us your automatic hair braiding machine operational license.
License? Officer, so there is license for braiding too.
Relax your head for the braiding machine to work. Your husband is going to love this, your new hairstyle. Oh. I would love to see you try boho braids.
Yes, so I am up for anything that will make my neighbors gossip me the more. You know I got you.
The machine does all the hard work now. Keep still, dear. Oh, it's feeling so lovely already. Just a bit more here. Almost done. This braid looks perfect.
I'm impressed.
This braiding machine is for our VIP clients only. Okay, I hope it delivers as expected.
Turn your head to the right.
Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to braid underarm hair using this automatic braiding device. The precision technology is perfectly aligned. Looks good. Just finishing up, ready for the meeting. You're gonna love this. It feels amazing. I can't wait to see it. Just relax. It's almost done. The machine is doing so well. Look at that. Wow, that's amazing. It's so fast. Wow, it's already braiding. Looks amazing.
Yeah.
Oh my God, a crocodile. Get it away from me, Rachel.
Run! It's coming inside.
Let me show you how this braiding device works. Just watch closely. The magic is happening now. Nice and easy, and you don't even need to stress. No wahala. Wow, look at that. Hold still while I place the device gently on your head like so. This is lovely.
Now look at that. You are so beautiful.
This automatic braiding device is something else.
You see this hair? Most people think braiding like this will take hours. I can braid more than 100 clients a day. Wait for it. This automatic braiding machine is a very reliable tool, Haba. Watch closely. In a few seconds, your hair will look perfect. No way, that's actually amazing. More here. Amazing. Almost there.
Yeah.
It looks amazing. Just a few more touches.
Yeah.
It's perfect. All right, let's make this magic happen. I can already feel it. Perfect. This is gonna look stunning. Wow, I can't believe this is my hair. It's perfect. Sister, I want you to tell all your rich friends about us. Tell them this automatic braiding machine is the best in town. Wow, this is incredible. See how fast, neat, and stress-free the machine works. It's almost done. Like so. Sharp, sharp, no stress.
Don't worry, I got you covered.
Oyibo, welcome to our country. Oh. Hope you are enjoying yourself.
Yes, I am. Thank you.
The braiding machine keeps beeping battery low. There was no NEPA light to charge it for almost 2 weeks now. Thank God we are almost done. The hair looks nice. Okay, this section is almost done. Perfect. It feels great.
Box braids.
The reason why I love this braiding machine is that you can set the size of the braids. You can make it either big or small. Can you see? Wow, it's perfect. I love it. You look stunning. Wow, I love them. Thank you. Almost done, and they look perfect. Thank you. It's beautiful. Watch out. Oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God. Move, run, run.